Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a simple HTML container and a JS module. This lets you separate structure from behavior. Once the DOM is ready, read a menu items array that defines ID, label, and action so you have data-driven entries. Now render the first item immediately into the container using createElement and text content. Attach a click handler that calls the mapped action. This approach makes adding items or testing easy and prevents hard-coded markup from blocking later logic. Once your items render, manage state centrally. Keep an index for the active item and expose functions to move focus up or down. Make sure to update area selected and CSS classes so assistive tech and visuals stay in sync. Also implement keyboard handling for enter, space, arrow keys. Prevent default only when necessary. Wire each menu item to a named function rather than inline code so you can test logic separately. This reduces bugs and makes the menu predictable across interactions. You finalize by polishing UX. Add small transitions and debounce click handlers to avoid double triggers. Make sure the menu collapses on small screens and remains keyboard friendly. Update area expanded and manage focus trap when a submenu opens. Once done, run quick tests. Keyboard-only navigation and a screen reader check. If things fail, log state transitions and events to trace issues, and when other handlers interfere, you stop propagation carefully. This lets you finish cleanly and fix the common interaction bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.